to flood your calendar with high ticket window installation opportunities and leads. So, first thing you want to do is you want to build and create a no-brainer offer. Your offer is going to be composed of something of value that the client wants that you can give them. So you're going to come up with copy, which is text that you're going to write up to convince them to click in, and then you're going to put together some creative, which is just an image. It can be a video. It can be, anything that visually grabs someone's attention and gets them to want to click in, read more on your offer, and take action. Then we're going to plug this offer into our traffic source. Our traffic sources can be things like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, TikTok. Next, we're going to generate leads from our offer, right? We're going to request people to fill out a form after they see our offer on one of these channels. They're going to fill out the form. We're going to get lots of leads. After that process, we're going to then filter down all these leads to make sure we're only working with the best. So we're going to hop in there, make sure that we're not working with tire kickers. We're working with all the people who have high buyer intent and are ready to take action right now. There are lots of ways you can do this. You can do this manually, or you can use a very intelligent CRM to do this for you automatically, right? Um, Next is you want to make sure that you contact them. We know that time kills all deals in business. And in today's day and age, everybody has a low attention span. It's very important that you are reaching out to your interested hot leads as soon as possible with a phone call to get them scheduled in for an estimate and ultimately a sale, right? So that's the next process here. Now, let's say you close them, right? You get them on an estimate, you go out, you then do your window work, and you close the deal, you make your money, right? That's great. After that, you want to request a review and then give them some kind of referral incentive to give them so they can give you some more referrals, right? We want to give them these incentives and say, hey, we're going to give you X if you give us a referral. For every referral you give us, we're going to give you this, right? That way we keep this engine churning and we don't have to spend so much on marketing over time as we are just working off of a huge sea of referrals that we're going to generate from this system. Now, if for some reason you don't close them, right, and we're going down in this path of no, we did not close the sale, we want to make sure that something happens, that they don't just sit there dead in the water. We got to insert them into a nurturing campaign, and that can be a variety of things. What we like to do here at Window Install Digital is insert them into a text and email campaign that attempts to get them back into our funnel and hit them with an offer that they find valuable, right? That's what we want to do. We want to find ways to get them back in. Lots of ways we can do that. We can do that with newsletters. We can do that with regular email promos. We can do that with offers through text messages. We can do that with phone calls or voicemails. Lots of ways we can bring them back in. And then we have that opportunity for the second close attempt here. We're going to attempt to close them a second time. And after that, you know, what we're going to find here is we're going to close a lot more. So we then, after we close them, we do the same thing. We want to make sure we get a review, and we want to also make sure that we are incentivizing these customers who just got your service to give you a referral, right? And that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a comment, like, share this video with a friend, somebody who might be able to benefit from it as well. And if you saw this video and you want to take action, but you just don't have the time in the day to sit down and do all this stuff, you can reach out to us here at Window Install Digital. You can go over to our website at www.windowinstalldigital.com/claim your area, and you can scroll on down here and you can book a slot with one of our representatives to have one of us give you a call and assess whether or not your business is a good fit for this system. All right. Once again, you can head over to windowinstalldigital.com/claim your area to book a slot here with one of our reps to assess whether or not this done for you service is something that would be a good fit for your business. All right.
And guys, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. comment, share, subscribe to our channel so you can get more good content like this.